stop scrolling. Yes, you. If you have been trying to speak English for months, maybe even years, but still feel nervous when opening your mouth, this video is for you. You understand some English. You know some grammar. You can read captions. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. And do you know the biggest reason? It's not because you are weak. It's not because your English is bad. It's because nobody taught you the correct way to practice speaking. Most people study English like a school subject, but fluent people practice English like a real language. And today I'm going to show you a step-by-step 30-day English speaking practice system that can completely change the way you speak English. No difficult grammar, no boring textbook lessons, no pressure. Just simple daily speaking practice that actually works. Imagine this. 30 days from now, you speak confidently. You answer questions without fear. You understand conversations faster. You stop translating every sentence in your head. Sounds impossible? It's not. But you must do one thing. Practice every single day, even 15 minutes. Because fluency does not come from perfection. Fluency comes from repetition. Introduction. Learning English can change your life. It can help you get better jobs, communicate with international people, travel confidently, understand movies, and grow your confidence. But many learners feel stuck. They watch videos every day. They learn grammar rules. They memorize vocabulary, yet they still cannot speak fluently. Why? Because speaking is a skill, and every skill improves with practice. You cannot learn swimming only by reading books. You cannot become a singer only by watching videos. And you cannot speak English fluently without speaking. That's why this 30-day challenge is different. This is not only a lesson, this is speaking training. Rule number 1, speak every day. Speak English every single day. Even 10 minutes is enough. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. That is normal. Babies also make mistakes, but they continue speaking. You must do the same. Repeat after me. I will practice English every day. I will not stop because of mistakes. Rule number 2, stop translating. Most learners translate everything in their mind. This makes speaking slow. Instead, start thinking in simple English. I am hungry. I want tea. I am tired. This is my phone. Repeat. I can think in English. Rule number 3, learn sentences, not words. Don't memorize only words. Learn full sentences. I am really hungry right now. I am busy today. Can you repeat that? That sounds great. Speak loudly. Train your mouth. Day 1 to day 5, build confidence. First 5 days, confidence building. Speak in front of mirror. Hello, my name is Alex. I am learning English. I want to become fluent. Practice daily conversations. A, hi, how are you? B, I'm good. How about you? A, what are you doing? B, I'm studying English. Day 6 to day 10, pronunciation practice. Use shadowing technique. Repeat after native speaker. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Practice. She sells seashells by the seashore. Practice makes progress. Repeat. I want to improve my English pronunciation. Day 11 to day 15, speak about daily life. Talk about your routine. I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I studied English. Repeat. Today I woke up early. I studied English for 1 hour. I want to improve every day. Day 16 to day 20, learn real conversation skills. Many learners know grammar but panic during conversations. Why? Because real conversations move quickly. You need response practice. Let's practice. Question. What do you do? Answer. I'm a student. Question. What are your hobbies? Answer. I enjoy watching movies and learning English. Question. What did you do yesterday? Answer. I stayed home and practiced English. Question. What are your future goals? Answer. I want to speak English fluently and become successful. Very good. Now practice longer answers. Instead of saying, yes, say, yes, I think that's a great idea. Instead of saying, no, say, "No, I don't think so." Longer answers improve fluency. Now let's do a small real conversation practice. Conversation practice. What are you doing these days? B. I'm focusing on improving my English speaking skills. A. How often do you practice? B. I practice every single day. A. That's great. Consistency is important. B. Yes, I believe daily practice can change my life. Excellent. Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking naturally and confidently. Day 21 to day 25, train your brain to think fast. Fast thinking is important in conversations. Here's a powerful exercise. Choose any topic and speak for 1 minute. Example topics: your favorite food, your dream job, your best friend, your country, your favorite movie, your daily routine. Do not stop speaking, even if you make mistakes. Example: my favorite food is biryani. I love it because it is delicious and spicy. I usually eat it with my family during special occasions. It makes me happy. Very simple, but effective. The goal is continuous speaking, not perfect grammar. Now let's practice quick answers. Question: what is your favorite hobby? Answer: my favorite hobby is watching motivational videos because they inspire me. Question: what do you want to become in the future? Answer: I want to become successful and communicate confidently in English. Question: why are you learning English? Answer: I'm learning English because I want better opportunities in life. Fantastic. Another powerful exercise. Ask yourself questions, then answer in English. What am I doing now? I am practicing English. How do I feel today? I feel motivated. What is my goal? My goal is fluency. This exercise trains your brain to respond quickly.